Hello everyone, my name is Abigail Tigarais. In this video, I will explain the definition and sorts of patterns and numbers found in nature. Pattern. Pattern in math is the arrangement of numbers, shapes, colors, and other elements. Types of patterns are symmetry. One shape becomes exactly like another when you move it in some way, turn, flip, or slide. Two types of symmetry are rotational and reflective symmetry. Reflective symmetry means one half of an image is the mirror image of the other half. Rotational symmetry. Image can be turned around, center point, and match itself. Foam. Repeating spheres create foam, which is a volume of bubbles of various sizes. Its example. Fractals, created by starting simple shape and duplicate it again and again. A spiral, common in plants and animals. Waves, disturbances that carry energy as they move. Tessellations, formed by repeating tiles all over a flat surface.